Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to see the classwork. Let me see how to write. Write the topic, the chapter name, the diversity and discrimination. Don't write these subtopics which comes under your lesson. Lesson number 2, Civics, Diversity and Discrimination. Introduction. To know about the experience are related to the society we live in. Objective. To understand about right to equality and Constitution of India. To learn about different types of rights, equality, liberty. The mind map. This is the mind map of this lesson. Difference of the people, languages, religion, inequality, equality, caste, Constitution of India. The topics are difference and prejudice, creating stereotypes. Third is inequality and discrimination, on being discriminated against, striving for equality. D words with meaning English and Tamil. Discrimination, the process of separating based caste and color. Muggers. Muggers means untouchable in Bombay Presidency. Stereotype, the process of fixing the people into bad image is called stereotype. Prejudice, seeing others people inferior. Scheduled caste, according to the government, Dalits are scheduled caste. Untouchables, persons engaged in removal of dead animals called untouchables. Ignorant, uneducated, generous, expected, starving, make a great efforts. Inferior, status, 1 mark, what does it mean? Judge other people negatively or seen them as an inferior. Prejudice, Judas, post Judas, none of this. Prejudice is the answer. What term do we use for disabled person? Challenged person, ordinary, genius, none of this. Challenged person is the answer. In which state of India there is less distance between home and school? Kerala, Rajasthan, Mumbai, none of this. Answer is Kerala. What does the government do to help the women teacher to reach the school? Good bus service, good train service, good road, but less bus service, none of this. Answer is good bus service. For what purpose did Dr. Ambedkar go to the England? A option is to become a lawyer, B is to travel, to become a leader, none of this. The answer is to become a lawyer. Filling the plants. There are about 1600 languages are spoken in India. How many languages? 1600 languages in India became independent in the year 1947. Dr. Ambedkar draft the Indian Constitution. Lower caste was also referred as Dalits. Matching the following. Two surgeons were sitting down to the lunch when one of them made a call on the mobile phone to speak with a doctor who had just returned from the school. The boy who won drawing competition went to the dais on the wheelchair to collect his prize. One of the fastest athletes in the world suffers from the chronic asthma. She was not that well off, but he had a dream to become astronaut, which she did. The 2 marks. What are the major problems of the poor? They cannot meet their basic needs of food, clothing, shelter. They are discriminated in office, hospitals, in schools, etc. They are treated badly everywhere they go. Which activities are considered low? Cleaning, washing, hair cutting, garbage picking. These are works are seen as dirty. Third one, how do we create stereotype? When do we create stereotype? Fixing people into an image is called stereotype. We create a stereotypes when we call people based off their country, religion, sex and lazy. Who fought against the inequality they experienced in their lives? Dalit, women, tribals, peasant. Enumerate the reason responsible for discrimination. Different religion, different language, living in different regions. Religions, this is regions. Different customs and practice. 3 marks. What does the constitution say with regard to equality? Why do we think this important for all the people to be equal? The constitution states the following with regards to equality: it shall not discriminated on the basis of the caste, religion and sex. Second point, it is important for all the people to be equal so that all the people are not discriminated against one another. What is difference between discrimination and stereotype? Discrimination is the state in which one person is discriminated from others due to its poor and bad economic. Stereotype is fixing the people into one image is called stereotype. Untouchables, Dalits, etc. Stingy, lazy, criminal, etc. The 5 marks. What safeguards have been provided in the Constitution of India against inequality and discrimination? Vision and the goals in our Constitution. Everyone has equal rights and opportunity. Government jobs are open to all the people. People's free to choose any kinds of work. Untouchability is seen to as a crime. It is legally abolished. Respect to diversity to ensure. Respect to diversity to ensure equality. Freedom to follow any religion. Freedom to speak in their own languages. Freedom to express on self. This lesson has been completed. Children, write it neatly. I have attached a PDF in this video. Thank you.